yo, there's your boy, it's a miss. And so that was in my room and I was really bored, really bored. I was like, oh, okay, then let me go to YouTube and watch something. But unfortunately, when I opened, the network was bad, and this game just pop up. And you've been seeing this game on Google, right? Because your browser when you open a Google browser and you have a bad connection, your internet is not really strong, it's not stable. You've been seeing no internet with this game, and whenever you've been playing this game, it's game over, game over. And this game is wow, it's really cool, it's really cool. Some programmers are funny, wow, but it's nice. So I just try to play this game and I'm dead. Like every day, game over, game over. So I was like, should I hack this game? Should I look out? I don't know how to say it. So I just try my best on it and I didn't die. So I don't know if I hacked the Google really hard. Let's see. So I didn't die. I was just running.
Gonna block all rappers with this blend is a room of an architect. I'm a master craftsman, pay a little attention, superfiction, I boom all speculations. I phrase all my verses, all my parts get ready with attention. Pulling this young brain, doing this God playing. The whole a bunch of complaints, the lyric can digest the flame. Good bands like I was paying, my reflex out of insane. So my speech refused to tend, I hold the fan, I ran the train, my way the streets can imitate with down I say. At least I feed the street helped me to swim in the mainstream. The key to unlock this dream, so wake up and grind hard to what you believe. I've been waiting for the moment, battle on my planet. Wake up every morning for life and I respond to shut down my ears when you're talking negative. I'm out of the planet, refuse to cooperate. Check my resume, my crafty hair is stated. Back in the days, I was bleeding to make the page. Your refusal stated, phrase walking away. I hardly bear the pain, was walking in this flame, projecting my dark days. With it in my face, licking my face, licking what I face. I wish I could switch place. Like a greater, like a very rest, like a fit. My business is stop reminiscing back a petition. Beverage all my favorites is one of the quarter disorder. I can handle like a big to be the rapper in this bucket list. Back in the bucket list, you can't written not the country, but addicted to the editor. Rapping harder, you know, but I promise you never to backstage you. I'm what the latest is. I'm part of a gratitude that wanna stick to you. Everybody's experience pain is not just part of you.